Solo Leveling.
Solo Leveling.
Solo Leveling.
If you have not watched Solo Leveling, trust me, the probability of you will watch the whole series is a 95%. This is the best anime right now, Chad. Right now.
And the anime award goes to Solo Leveling.
You deserve this. So pathetic. All that talk about how ready you are, and this is the best you could do? You'll have nothing to blame for your death but your own ego. Till next time.
Till next time, he said. Meaning, if I live long enough, I'll see him again. Any pain I go through, any suffering I endure, if it doesn't kill me, it'll make me stronger! I'm not done yet! Compared to that day, compared to the terror I felt that day, this is nothing!